Hey there, does weight loss feel impossible to you right now? Hey, Cece Cheney here, and today I'm going to share with you two hard truths that you've got to accept if you want to take off those unwanted pounds and keep them off. Now, this topic came up today because I've been getting lots of people reaching out to me asking me, they're saying, hey Cece, your face is slimming down, you're looking smaller, what's going on? I'm in quarantine and I'm gaining the pounds. And so I've had some really interesting conversations with people in my business about what you need to do if you're serious about shedding some pounds and keeping them off. And if I'm being honest with you, there are some hard truths that most people don't want to accept. And so that's what I want to talk to you about today, because our health is our wealth. I think now more than ever, people are recognizing that being healthy is vitally important, that we've got to take care of these bodies with everything that's been going on. So today I'm going to share a couple of hard truths with you. I hope you will still love me after this is all over, because I will still love you, but I think it's important. So let's go ahead and dig in. What are these hard truths? Hard truth number one is you cannot outrun your fork. Okay, I have so many people who are telling me, I don't want to eat healthy, but can I just exercise my way to great health? And I'm sorry to break it to you. Exercise is great. Exercise is important. It certainly plays a huge role in maintaining these incredible bodies that we have. And what we put in our mouth is even more important, right? When you start doing some reading and some learning about health and what it means to take care of your body, you realize that what you put in your mouth actually is the stuff that your cells of your body are made out of, right? So if you are going to continue to feed your body garbage, don't be mad at me, right? Because I've been there. Look, I am somebody who used to eat like crap. You've seen some of my pictures of what I used to look like. It's a little bit scary. I was almost 300 pounds, so I get it. Trust me. And I realized now I had to take a really hard look at myself and realize I was eating garbage. I was filling my body with garbage, and that's why I looked bad. That's why I felt bad. That's why my skin looked like crap, right? So much of that was because I wasn't eating well. So if you're not willing to commit to eating foods that are nutrient dense, foods that fill your body up, foods that fuel your body, then you're going to have that same old struggle. Right? That's the first hard truth. You've got to recognize that what you put in your mouth absolutely matters. Hard truth number two, let's dig into this one. Fad diets don't work for long. Look, I have been on a million diets. If you've known me over the years, you have seen me balloon up and go down and balloon up and go down. And you know why? Because when you come off the diet and you go back to old habits, you get the same old body. In fact, you usually end up with a worse one, right? Like there have been so many times where I lost weight and then I was bigger than I was before when I regained it. So I know it's cliche. I know that it's cliche, but you really do have to make a lifestyle change. It's so incredibly important. Thanks for hopping on, guys. I so appreciate you, right? You have to be willing to make a lifestyle change. You have to choose the things that go in your mouth, right? You have to make sure that you're eating healthy foods, right? I get a lot of questions. I get a lot of comments about my diet because I am on a plant. I do eat plants, right? And I did that not because I didn't like meat or cheese, right? I was obsessed. My husband and I used to we literally lived across the street from a rib shack, and we ate a ton of them, and we loved them. And I was in really bad shape, and it was literally out of desperation that I found out that a plant-based diet could really transform health, and it's made such a big difference for me. But I had to be willing to make that a lifestyle change, not just something I was going to try out for a short period of time and then go right back to old habits. So what you put in your body absolutely matters, right? What you're eating matters. Making sure that you're drinking water and not just a bunch of crap, right? So many of us are drinking crap calories, and you want to make sure that you're not falling into that trap. Right, I told you we're going to be honest here, right? So you want to make sure that you're not doing that. And also that you're moving your body, right? And this is something I don't love. I'm going to tell you over and over and over again, I do not love to exercise. Like, I am not excited in the morning to get up and do something, but it's a part of my lifestyle because I know it's so important for maintaining good health. So I actually get up every morning, and it's a part of my morning routine. So Fad diets are not going to be the answer to your problems, especially if you go backwards and you start your old habits again, which most of us will, right? I told you, I've been there. And again, you cannot outrun your fork. You've got to eat well, my friend. Now, if you're somebody who's been struggling to figure out how to eat well, if you're somebody who's been struggling to find the time to eat well, and you'd like to know more about what I do to maintain my health and eat well, shoot me a message. I'd be more than happy to share some information with you. Otherwise, I had so much fun chatting with you today, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon. Ciao.